Because of the size of the machine, this is a 13,000 pound machine. If you're into land clearing, large loading and unloading, paving customers or paving contractors will be the ideal customer for this machine. It's got the high flow one-piece sealed pressurized cab, so it will give you the comfort that you need to ride the machine all day.
Want to put some extra horsepower behind your operations? Click the link below to subscribe to Equipment World's daily newsletter for the latest construction equipment news, trends, and reviews.
Hi, my name is Julio Vargas. I'm the Hyundai Compact Product Manager for North America. We are at the Utility Expo introducing our newest large frame CTL, the HT38, which a lot of innovative features, and we're going to do a quick walk around on this thing. It's got a torsion control undercarriage. We have two options of tracks. This is a bar track, but we also have a block track available in two different sizes, narrow and wide tracks. If we go to the back of the machine, we have options like all-around view cameras. So this, for safety purposes, you have about 270-degree view in the monitor, and you can customize that view inside the cab. We have LED lighting for their machine. And then for serviceability, we have full access to the machine to all the service points. So we have a full tilt-up cooling package that gives you full access, independent hydraulic motor for your cooling system with reversible fan. You can program it within the monitor to run every so often, but we also have a manual override. So if you're working in heavy dusty conditions, you can press that button and clean out your cooling package. As you can see, we have a one-door swing-out design that's going to give you a lot of access to all your service point. We also separated some of the tanks. We have our fuel tank right here, hydraulic on one side and DEF on the other side. This is the Hyundai 115 horsepower engine that comes with this machine, so it requires DEF. But we kind of separated the tanks to kind of avoid accidents of putting the wrong fuel or the wrong liquid into a different tank. If we come over to this side, our machine is a 3,800 pound ROC, rated operating capacity. With the optional counterweights, we have an ROC of about 4,000 pounds. It's got a tipping load of just shy of 11,000 pounds. If we come to the front of the machine, we do have hydraulic quick coupler for the machine, controls in the cab, air ride seat, and a heated seat for all-day operation comfort of the machine. Our standard polycarbonate door is standard for our machines because it's got high flow of 40 gallons per minute, 4,000, little higher over 4,000 PSIs. You can run those power-hungry attachments like mulchers, coal planners, anything that needs that extra power. Wheel saws, you can run it on this machine, and you don't need to add any extra protection because we have our polycarbonate door standard. Inside the machine, we have a very big step, so very safe to get in, very sturdy step. Inside the machine, you have a standard 8-inch touchscreen LED screen with the radio integrated into it. So if you are interested, this machine is getting released today. It'll be available through our dealer network.
For more videos like this, click the playlist on the screen now.